And welcome back to Quantitative Reasoning Online. We're covering 7B, Understanding U.S. Budget Priorities. And we are here to do the questions now. Walk you through the questions. Which kind of completion, you should be well versed to go and back in the program and do the questions yourself. So no further ado, question 1. Ooh, 5 parts. It's going to be a long one. So let's see, shows magnet activities in 24-hour day. So let's get the activity ups. Here we go. Complete A through E. So let's see, complete the table by determining the percentage of magnets time that is spent on each of the named activities. In class, 2 hours. Doing homework, 6 hours. 3, 2, and I guess the next page will cover the next couple ones. And we want the percentage of them as compared to 24-hour day. So this will be a part 2 whole. So in this case, 2 over 24 to percentage, 6 over 24. 3 over 24 and 2 over 24 converted to a percentage. So 2 over 24 should have gotten 0.0833 times by 100, or 8.3%, round to 1 decimal place. Okay. Homework 6 over 24. Well, that's 1/4, which I know is 25%. Now 3/24, that's 1/8, and I know from experience that's 12.5%. And 2/24 should be the same as in class, so that should again be 8.2. Oh yeah? No. Little typo here. 8.3.083333 does not go 8.2. Little care. Fortunately, you get 2 tries. There we go. And 2 over 24. For some reason, I saw 2 when I looked at it the first time. Oh, let's clear some. Okay, part B. That's been okay. Here's lots of them. So now here's 1 over 24, 9 over 24, and 1 over 24. And then 24 over 24. That's the easy one. That's just 1. It'll be 1%. 1 over 24, well, what's 1 divided by 24? 0.04166 ... times by 100. Looks like 4.2. And same down here. And then 9 over 24. .375, or 37.5. In computing percentage of part A, did you create a part-to-part or part-to-whole? Now, in each case, for example, we did 9, which was the part of sleeping. Who sleeps a lot? Over the full day, or the whole. So this was a part. That was a whole, so part-to-whole. Now it says now I'm going to create a pie chart on a typical day. Oh my. I'm going to go create one. But let's see if we can do some elimination. Sleeping is 9. So sleeping should be the biggest one, followed by homework. So sleep, homework, work. Sleep, homework, work. So biggest one should be purple, followed by red, followed by green. Well, let's see. I definitely see, in this case here, yellow is the largest. Yellow is exercising. Exercise is not very big. Let's knock him out. So we can give it a B. Let's look at, okay, this one. So purple, followed by homework. Oh, followed by work, work. So this has potential. Blue is the biggest one here is blue. Blue is classroom. That is not the biggest one. And A, things just look too evenly. And again, blue and this here television gaming are the biggest ones. And again, so it's got to be D. Yep. What their activities is Meg spend most of her time? Oh, just having it down here. What would you say here? Sleeping, homework, and work. So sleeping, homework, and working. What do percent show about Megan's priorities? Well, she makes sure to spend a lot of time. Most of her time in class, so she doesn't have to do homework. She takes care of getting sleep, works a lot at school and her job. Okay, let's see. This guy again. Okay, now we're going to look at a part-to-part. So we're going to be comparing one of these to itself. So express as a part-to-part the ratio of hours in class with the hours working at a job. So 6 hours in class compared to 4 hours on a job, which is the same as 3.5, 1.5 times by 100, 150%. That was it. That's the pointing. All right. Goes back to national defense resources. So these are things you should have looked up a little bit on the internet. So understand search and complete part A through D. So what does it mean in national defense? This is something most people should have already feel for. National defense category does it for the pricing of goods. Nah, that's natural. That's consumer price index. National defense category does it for protecting the country from enemies. That's potential. Education, nah. Technological research, there's some in there, but not all of it. So I'm going to go with B. Wrong button. Here we go. So 2 examples of national defense. Let's see. Military members and military equipment. Operations and maintenance Navy. SCN, ship construction new. Major projects. Definitely not this guy. No. Yep, it's got to be A. Paying military members and military equipment. Two examples of human resources expenses in the federal budget. Now, there's not a specific human resource category, so it'd be under, unlike military, national defense has its own category. Human resources don't. But let's see. Human resources, again, is on people. So let's see. I pretty much rule out transportation and social services. Same with this one. And this one based because of transportation. Military has its own. I'm going to go with education and social services. Two examples of physical resources in the federal budget. Physical resources. Again, I'm going to rule out military. And down to A and B. Now, energy is definitely a resource. The question is education resource. So I'm going to go with B for my first guess, first attempt. Okay, so transportation is a physical resource because transportation you're buying. There's trucks, there's buildings, roads. And net interest. Well, net means the total amount. And of course, it's the total amount in the federal budget. So it's not interest gained. Okay, it's interest you pay. And of course, it'd be on what you borrow. And what the government borrows is called debt. Yes, sir, Bob. And with that, we have completed a preview of the preview tutorial questions. So with that, you should be able to now go back and now on your own do the preview assignment. Now, at least click on it so you can get a check mark on it, and then do the questions on your own. Then work on the workbook, the textbook you have, the workbook you have tutorial. Copy them, submit them in the Dropbox. And then that should get you ready to do the practice assignment for 7B. So work these questions yourself. Get the credit for it. Do your tutorial on the workbook tutorial as you go along doing the workbook at the same time. Submit me a copy of the workbook. Do the assignment. Practice assignment. Good luck, and I'll see you next time at 7C.